Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com. and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello everyone, Norhalma here once again, welcoming our subscribers and podcast listeners. If you're new here, thank you for giving us a chance to share insightful marketing, accounting, and production tips and strategies for your construction business. It's episode number 452. This is our last podcast session for 2021. Sherry DeHart wrote about last-minute reminders before the New Year countdown. Let's dive into it. It's been another excellent year for Fast Easy Accounting. We appreciate your support for those of you who have been with us through all these years. Without our contractor clients, template customers, Construction Accounting Academy students, email subscribers, podcast listeners, blog readers, and social media followers like you, we wouldn't get to where we are today. As we look back on our 2021, I hope your fondest memories will include the time you have spent with all the things you love and are passionate about. And because we love what we do and we are passionate about serving our contractor friends, for us, this year was all about empowering your contracting business by continually providing you with outstanding products, high-quality services, and dependable resources for your bookkeeping and accounting needs. Year-end review. Time flies when everyone is busy. Start now. Review your records for the following items: missing federal tax IDs and requesting the W-9. Have all your employees verify their pay stubs for the correct address. Check apartment numbers and zip codes. Have any of the neighborhoods been annexed into the city? Year-end accounting cleanup. Your tax accountant will be sending your booklet with what they want for records. What are the loose odds and ends missing for this year? Do you have a formal accounting system? Do you need to clean up the accounting beyond the last couple of months? Do you have bank statements? And can you find all your receipts? Tax accountants do workarounds to file your annual taxes. At some point, the tax accountant may refuse to clean up and deal with the lack of good records or messy records. As the economy improves, tax accountants will have more clients who want their taxes done. Helpful reminders. Be mindful of the paperwork that must be stamped on or before December 31st, and that is today. Payroll. Did you take any personal payroll? If not, it may impact your personal deductions. IRA, 401k. Making those final payments before midnight on December 31. Do not wait until 11:59 p.m. Some plans allow you to make payments until April 15th. Double check the dates. Do not assume. And income. Getting one last customer invoice and receiving the payment. Last-minute purchases to count on 2021 taxes. Expenses or larger item which qualifies for depreciation. Next, do not expect to be able to file your annual taxes on January 1st, which is tomorrow. Visit www.irs.gov for the official 2022 filing season start date. Third, prepare W-2s and pass them out as soon as possible. Remember to keep a copy. W-2s and 1099s have a deadline of January 31st to be mailed out to your employees and 1099 contractors. Be proactive and send out W-9s as soon as possible. thereby asking for a federal tax ID or social security number now. And fourth, think about your company tax filing status. I recommend changing from a sole proprietor to an S corp. Setting up an S corp is done with the Secretary of State in your state. Note, a few states only accepts forms from a third-party service. If you are currently an LLC, I recommend becoming an S corp. If not, change your tax filing status to be treated as an S corp. The form needed from the IRS is Form 2553. Unlike many state agencies, the IRS does not charge to file their forms. You are asking the IRS to change how your company is treated. Why is this important? Because the IRS will only accept the form for the current year in January. February. Pushing the deadline to March 15th is risky. The approval will be for the next year, starting in January 2023 instead of January 2022. Late penalties to state and federal government agencies are increasing, and they are looking back at filing dates of past returns for additional fees. It's costly to borrow money from the government. If you need it, it never hurts to ask for a payment plan. Rule of thumb when asking: be nice, be polite. Ask for a payment plan to be extended for as long as possible and with as low as possible payments. Sometimes, no matter how you asked, the person you are talking to is not helpful. But usually, if it is within the rules, they will help you out. It all gets down to time, scope, money. A good tax accountant can do many simple or less complicated returns in the same amount of time it takes to do a messy, complex business return. More tax returns become more complex than is necessary because the documents or lack of records make it messy and hard to deal with. Your reason to turn it all over to the tax accountant. It's cheaper to have the tax accountant do it than hire a bookkeeping service. And I don't want to do it myself because it's hard. Yes, the tax accountant can and maybe will do a workaround that is just enough to do the taxes. If you are missing 5%, 10%, 15%, or even more, the tax accountant will use what you provided, and it will be by exception. Your tax accountant will ask for missing documents or even notice they are missing. A tax accountant will assume you gave them everything you had. In reality, you gave the tax accountant only what you thought the tax accountant needed versus all of the records that might save you additional money in taxes. A sound accounting system will help you make better decisions on what to buy and what types of job to accept. When did you afford to take payment plans from your clients? When is the need or ability to raise your prices? Only you can decide if the lack of good records was worth the low price. Happy New Year! 2022 is just around the corner. Are you ready? And that ends Sherry's blog post. Remember, we can help a little or a lot depending on your needs. If you're confused about which product to purchase or what services to outsource, please don't hesitate to contact Sherry by calling our toll-free number 1-800-361-1770 or US local phone line 206-361-3950. You can also send her an email at Sherry, Sharie, Sherry at fasteasyaccounting.com. You can connect with her for a free 1-hour consultation. Sherry also put together a free ebook for our email subscribers, the Contractor Success Map Toolkit filled with marketing, accounting, and production tips and checklists that you can use year-round for your construction business. Head on over to www.fasteasyaccounting.com to download a copy today. On behalf of Sherry and our team at Fast Easy Accounting, this is Norhalma. Thank you all for listening. Stay safe and healthy, and have a happy 2022.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes, and make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.